Hey guys, how y'all doing? So as you can see on this Acura RSX, I have a check engine light, and I went on my scan tool and I found that it's a P1167. So let's go to the engine bay and see what one of the probable causes might be. So I went into the engine bay and I looked around and I saw this humongous crack right here in the intake manifold. And so I'm gonna go get a replacement part and see if that fixes the engine light. See y'all later. Hey guys, I'm back. I got the parts from Honda, straight from Honda. And even though it's an Acura, but Honda, Acura, you know, it's all the same thing. So now I'm going to take the airbox off with 8mm. And yeah, so I'll show you how to change the part. And I took this off before, just to bring the part to Honda. And so I already basically got it all taken apart. So you take this off, take the airbox and give it a little wiggle, and there you go, it comes right off. And I put this clamp in there so I didn't lose it, because it was broken anyways. So that's the clamp. And then disconnect this connector right here. Comes right off. Then what you have to do is you have to take this off here. So that's a it's a 10mm right there. So you just put that on there, and just take that off. So just take the stupid beauty cover off. Put it aside. Then you wiggle this off, and you don't really care because it's broken anyways, so that's the worst that could happen. You take that hose off right there, you take that clamp off, and you take the hose off, and you can see how big that gash was right there. So let me just get you a closer look. See how big that was right there. So you throw that away, you get a nice new part. And well, you need some parts from this. So you need this connector right here. You need this hose right there. So I'm gonna take those off, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so I got it all on there right now. I tightened up the hose clamp, put the new hose on, and put the edge sensor back in. Alright, so now we just get this, make sure the gasket is in place. Get our 2 bolts that we had in there. Put them up here. Put the airbags back on. So how this goes in is you do this. Lift this out of the way. Kind of sits in like that. Put your air connector back on right here. Wiggle it a bit, and it seats in. Then you put this back on. Oh, that's gonna be something else. Put this back on, and like that. Then you do the air back into place, and you should be good like that. And then after that, push this back into place, and then you tighten it up after that. So you just tighten this up. But I'm going to do that in back because it's easier. So, oh no, wrong bit. I think this is the right one. Nope, that's the wrong one. There we go. Yeah, I'm just going to run it down with the impact because it's much easier than trying to do it with a wrench. There we go. So that should be pretty snug. I'll torque it down later with my torque wrench. Then I'll just put these back on, run them down, and torque them down later. Like that. Oh, why aren't you in there? Oh, that's why. Stupid thing. Oh, come on, really? Every time? Okay, now that that's in, I'm going to pinch this together, put it up there, put the stupid beauty cover back on, and we should be good. Alright guys, and that job is all done. So now let's go see if we cleared the check engine light. Alright guys, so as you can see, we cleared the check engine light, and it hasn't come back since. I drove the car about 100 kilometers, and she's doing alright.